Yeah, so in a little bit of an introspective mood today, but I want to talk about what I consider kind of a critical message around XRP. And this message really is kind of derived from a lot of the videos I've been doing in the last week or two and kind of looking at XRP, looking at where it's been since July. Remember in July, we had a 75% move up in July. And then essentially since July, we've really been consolidating. We've been going sideways. And that's part of the narrative. The rest of it is, let's talk about the obvious that's going on in the market. There's a shakeout that's continuing to play out. Shakeout meaning there's powers that be that are trying to dislodge you from your XRP and the rest of your crypto. There's manipulation going on, 100%. And there's this kind of prevailing, is crypto ever going to wake up and is it ever going to go up again? And am I just stuck in quicksand, right? In crypto, in my XRP. Is my XRP literally like quicksand? I'm kind of like gradually sinking and falling. There's all kind of that. So again, I want to give you my opinion and tell you what I'm doing, okay? Here's what I'm doing. I'm 100% not selling. I'm 100% looking for opportunities to buy more XRP, and we could see it go lower if we continue to see some of these things play out that we've been talking about in previous videos and XRP videos of manipulation and shakeout and bears pushing us down, all that kind of stuff. And what do I think that bottom could be? We could see mid-high $1.70-ish cents. I think that's entirely in the realm of possibility. I think we could see Bitcoin drop below 90 if that happens, and if more panic comes in and more emotional based, panic selling triggers. But where does that leave us? In my opinion, with XRP, is what I think is the critical component of this video, is that it leaves me in a place where I'm not going anywhere. Look, I'm older than probably most of you guys. I know some of you guys watch my videos, you're in your 50s and 60s, and hey, thanks for and thanks for being here. And by the way, congratulations, you're in the minority. In our age group and gap, we're definitely in the minorities as far as owning crypto. And so, hey, congrats on that. With that, look, I think fundamentally that XRP is going to go back up and that crypto is going to go back up. I would not be saying all this in these videos, for coming up on 5 years. January would be 5 years I've been doing this, which is crazy.